still available. Rockstar. Go to QVC.com. If it's in your cart, check it out. And that aqua, or you're going to miss out. Another look at 11. Debbie Fedukrov's our guest, and Debbie brings us Dyson. Great to have you back.
Great to be here.
Okay, so of all the Dysons, the one that you recently brought us, my wife loves.
Yes.
The outsize for her is a little too heavy. This thing might be the greatest hits of Dyson. Because this thing, if sold separately, is like $750 or some, like that's a regular, actually it's $849.
Yes.
$849 with everything that's included.
Because it has this dock.
Because you get the docking station. I get not one, but two of the cleaner heads.
Yes.
And is this going to have the laser on it?
This does have that LED illumination, which is so exciting.
Okay.
We're going to show you all of that.
Here we go, guys. It's now on 5 CPM to 120. Price goes up at the end of the day. We're down to one color on this.
Yes.
It is yellow, and it's awesome. And this is $120 to bring it home with free shipping and handling. Cut the cord, not the power.
And it has our latest detangling technology. So as I come to all of this hair here, you're gonna love that not only does it have 100% more power than our V8, which makes it incredibly powerful, it's also got our latest detangling technology, which means it is going to detangle as you're cleaning, so you never have to worry about cleaning the brush roll.
Well, that's got some suction power, man. And you didn't have one hair wrapped around there.
Not one.
One of the big wows that we had when we got our Dyson, our recent Dyson.
Yep.
And the other thing that you're going to love is this tool. So that's not one, but two cleaner heads. Actually, there's going to be, all told, with it, the two, and then the tools that are coming along with it, including this.
Yes, so take a look at this. This is the LED illumination, and I will be honest with you, before I tried this in my own home, I didn't understand why I needed it. It is going to reveal the hidden dirt and dust. So look at the floor, looks pretty good.
Oh!
Let's do that again. Look, looks pretty clean. We turn that light on, and now we see all of the things that we wouldn't see.
Boy, look at the little hairs on there.
This
That's
illumination.
a great shot.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, look at that. Can we get a close-up shot of that, guys? Can we look? So let's see that. Okay, wait. Off, and now on.
Isn't that awesome?
There's a Christmas tree we didn't pick up.
Exactly.
What's going on there?
This allows you to be efficient with your cleaning.
Great.
You're going to get it all done the first time. You're not going to miss things, you know, that later you see. This is incredibly powerful, but also great for this is for your bare floors, your hard
for your bare floors.
Yes.
It's great for polishing the bare floors as well.
And then,
will not harm, will not scratch it whatsoever. And don't trip. And by the way, just to let you know, this is a charging station.
It is.
This is not just a place to put your stuff.
It holds every
that.
single thing you're getting.
And when you pop it in, this actually plugs in on the bottom.
Right.
So it will charge your Dyson, so you always have a charge
and look
on
at
your Dyson V15 Detect.
So this is less than 7 pounds, even though it's super powerful, even though it's going to do all your surfaces on the floors. Look at how you're going to be able to clean overhead with your feet safely planted on the ground. And again, all of the tools that you are getting in this configuration have a place on this Floor Dok Multi. So it's organization, it's easy to use, and it's functional because it's charging.
Okay, a lot going on here. An $800 and some value to get it all. How do you put it into a couple of seconds, $849? Well, here's a little video to help clarify this. Big savings. Help me out with that.
Yes, absolutely. So you're getting a powerful and intelligent vacuum, and that's because this has the ability to find the hidden dirt and dust with that LED illumination. This is premium Dyson technology. It's going to find the things that you normally wouldn't see. When you look at this, you'll see that piezo sensor can actually detect how dirty the surface is. So it's going to automatically adapt and adjust the power. The LCD screen is going to show you how much runtime you have left. And the digital motor bar cleaner head allows you to actually, it will adapt to the different floors that you're cleaning. So always giving you the right amount of power for the job at hand. It has our root cyclonic technology, advanced whole machine filtration, which truly gives you that cleaner home because it's capturing and trapping the dirt, dust, and allergens up to 99.99%.
Okay, just a couple hundred that we brought in today. That's it. One color, $250 savings. That's with illumination and without illumination, or should I say without on the left and then with. So now you see where the dirt is.
That dust, I mean, you don't even see it in the before. You look at that floor, you think it's clean, and then you have that illumination and it shows you.
By the way, when we were using the Dyson, my wife and I, a while back, we're like, it changes the sound. Why does the sound change?
Because
there's something wrong with it. No,
No.
because when it needs dirt, it needs more power. Whoa, it ramps up.
automatically ramps up.
It's
Same
kind of
thing
brilliant.
with the different floors. So
Yeah.
when it needs more power, it's going to give it to you. Now take a look at this floor, because this floor looks pretty good to me. And I have nothing in the bin here to start. So if you look up here,
Empty
the
bin.
bin is completely empty. And what we're going to do is what we like to call the Dyson challenge. So we want you to go over whatever you're using right now, vacuum one more time. And then take your V15 Detect out of the box and go over that same rub.
Here we go.
You're gonna be so amazed at the power this has to find the hidden dirt and dust and really give you that deep down clean. Dyson's the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuums, Rick. And I will tell you, I have my choice of Dysons. This is the one I use in my home.
This is the one.
This is
but
the
here's
one.
one of the reasons. I love this demo because it's the dirt you can see and then the dirt you can't see. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Amazing. Now you're seeing the Labrador Retriever there,
Yes.
but you're not seeing the sand, or there you are seeing the powder and the sand and the sugar and the salt and the dust and whatever that is.
Right.
That's underneath there. That's harming your carpet. That's the suction power of it, and you didn't see it in your floor. And that
Exactly.
can happen in a carpet. That can also happen in hardwood floors.
Yes, and this digital motor bar cleaner head can be used on any floor surface, so we'll show you that on hardwood right now.
Another empty bin.
But again, this floor looks good. We just emptied the bin. But the fact is, things hide in our floorboards. They hide in those cracks and crevices. So again,
Yep.
you want a vacuum that has 100% more suction than our V8, Rick.
100% more suction. Now, I got a
Yes.
question for you. I can use either cleaning head on this
On
surface.
a hard floor, yes. This digital motor bar, though, is the one you want if you're using carpet. You can't use the other one on carpet.
Correct. Another one I love
Yes.
is that you get your fingers nowhere near the dirt and the gunk.
That's right. Look at
All that came out. Now that is massive.
Yes.
That's a huge pile that you did not see in the hardwood floor.
Right.
It's free shipping. It's 5Z payments, and I love the way the tools kind of lock
Yes.
into place.
The bin's not quite clear. There we go.
Best ever. This is your opportunity to pick it up. Hey, we're down to one color. 175 can be had. So once
wow.
again, what are you getting? You're getting the 2 cleaner heads, not 1.
Yes.
You're getting the bin with no bags, no belts, no filters, no additional cost of ownership. You're getting now the Detect. So the other head what is that called? That is called the?
This is the fluffy optic cleaner head.
Glad you could
it's
say that,
made-
not me.
Made of a soft woven nylon, and these are anti-static carbon fiber filaments. So they're going to dust your bare floor, really give you that beautiful shine.
All the other tools are on board. The
Yes.
combo tool, the stiff bristle brush, the crevice tool.
And the soft dusting brush.
And the soft dusting brush, by the way, and it's a charging station as well. So let's come on over if we've got time to
Yeah.
put this into handheld mode.
Yes, so not only is it the vacuum you'll use for all of the floor surfaces in your home, but you can also take this out to the car. There is no cord with this one, so you go wherever you need to go. Maybe you need to clean, maybe you're somebody that likes to really have that clean car, detail it. You're gonna be able to do that with the V15. Maybe it's just picking up the spills around the kitchen.
Here we go.
Look at the power.
175 to go around.
Wow, that's it.
The 84823. $250 savings. It's $849 if you're doing the math. Now, can I take the big cleaner head
You
and
can.
put it in handheld mode?
You can, absolutely. So think about doing things like the back of your car, maybe the pet beds. You're gonna get all of that power,
Look at that.
latest detangling technology, which is great.
Meaning all that here
Yep.
is now in the bin, and is any of it on the actual cleaner head? Nope, not a live TV demo.
Yep, not one.
That's great.
Isn't that great?
$120 gets it home to you. Here's the crevice tool.
Yes. So we love this for getting in those tight, narrow spaces. Think about, in between where the washer and dryer are, maybe getting the lint out of the dryer, the crumbs out of the bread drawer.
Right.
You're going to be able to get all of those areas really easily with that. And then again, for doing things like your stairs, remember this vacuum weighs less than 7 pounds.
Best
this is
ever.
extremely light. And there's no cord. As you're going up and down the steps, you're not worrying about tripping. You're not lugging something big and heavy. Isn't that so easy, Rick? And I love how it's the perfect size.
Not taking a cord, a big upright on the stairs. Don't do it. Fantastic. Real quick, tell me about the button.
Yeah,
the
so
one button on the back.
Look at this LCD display. This is going to show you how much runtime you have. There are also 3 power modes. So in eco mode, we still have 69 minutes. In this auto mode, that's where it will automatically adapt. We have 42 minutes there. And then we even give you boost mode.
Boom.
A little less than 10 minutes there. So you're going to know down to the second how much runtime you have.
It's really complicated to wash the filter. No.
No.
You pop it off. You put it back, and that's it. So
That's it.
Final thoughts with the docking station that also is a power station. What'd you bring us, Deb?
Yeah, so Dyson is the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuums, and the V15 Detect has our premium technology. So you're getting that LED illumination, you're getting the detangling technology, all in a lightweight format with that Floor Dok multi, which would normally be an additional purchase, which is incredible.
Only here at QVC. Go to QVC.com. Pick yours up right now. Price goes away at the end of the day. Today's special value price goes away at the end of the day. Big morning here. Love it, love it. We got the one of the stars is this leather bag. Man, this is Pat got excited about this one, and with good reason, because it's for the value of a wallet. You get not a pleather, not a schmether, but a leather crossbody bag.